Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite affordable, colorful eyeshadow palettes. Now these are all drugstore brands and I will start with the one that I have on my eyes right now. So this is from PAC and this is their Luxe Collection Ultimate Shadow Box called Bold with the Bold Electric. These are the colors in the eyeshadow palette and they are very pigmented. This eyeshadow palette has 9 electric bold colors and I feel like you can create so many beautiful colorful looks using this, and I love the formula and the pigmentation of PAC eyeshadows. I think PAC is one of the best Indian makeup brands when it comes to anything. They have a great range of products and their eyeshadows especially are amazing, and this is so worth it. They have other palettes as well in the same Ultimate Shadow Box collection, so you can check the entire range out, and if you're looking for something colorful then you can definitely go ahead and pick this one up. Next we have this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. This is the Revolution X Tammi Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette, and the colors in this are so beautiful. I have used this to create my rainbow look, and this is just such a gorgeous palette. You have so many beautiful, bright, vivid colors, and the creations that you can come out of this palettes are endless. You also have a black that's matte and that's of good quality. I really like Makeup Revolution when it comes to like mid-range makeup, and they do some great eyeshadow palettes. I'm actually going to list some more of the colorful Makeup Revolution palettes in the description box. I don't own them personally, but there are a lot of other palettes that have a lot of colors, so you can definitely check this one out or any of the other ones that I've listed. The next one is this one from Makeup Revolution. Again, like I said, they have a lot of options to choose from. Now this is what I have personally and have used, and this is the HD Pro Amplified 35 palette, and these are all of the colors. It does not really have a lot of color options, as you can tell. There's only a few down here, but it is good enough if you are not someone who loves like really supremely bold eyeshadows and you like playing with like muted colors. Then this palette has so many options. You can create like coppery looks, you can create something colorful using these colors, you can create something muted or blue. From here you can have like purple tones. So basically this is like a really nice overall palette to have. Like if you have this, then you don't really need to invest in a lot of palette. Next we have the Infinity eyeshadow palette range from Lakme. They have recently come out with a new collection of eyeshadows, and this is the Pink Paradise one from Lakme, and these are pretty affordable and they come with like these bright colors, and these are surprisingly very pigmented as you can see, and they are slightly chalky but they are supremely pigmented and like really good for the price that you pay. So you can definitely check out the Infinity palettes if you are looking for something that is affordable yet colorful. Last but not the least, I have this one from Maybelline. Now this is not the most colorful palette, yet it has that pops of color in it. So this one is for those of you who likes color but yet like to keep it simple, and this palette actually has this beautiful pop of pink which looks like this, and you can build it up. It also has a yellow which I think is pretty cute. Like it's a really nice yellow that is pigmented, and it also has these beautiful glitter shades, and you can play around with this palette quite a bit and create very wearable looks with pop of color, and this is pretty affordable as well. So those were all of my suggestions. If there's anything else that comes into mind, I'm gonna leave that in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I also think you get great color options with Kryolan. I don't own them myself, so I can't share it with you in this video, but if I find them online, I'm gonna link it. They have these things called AquaColours, I think. Yeah, so they're great to like paint with and like do like body paint and stuff, and Kryolan is pretty affordable as well, and they have some great quality pigmented sort of products. So yeah, that's all of the eyeshadows that I wanted to list in this video. I really hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.